Hey guys, it's me Booga991 here. Today I'm going to be opening these blackjack cards. So I just opened it right now in the video. Okay, gonna hold it like this because I need to use two hands, not just one. It's really hard to get them out. But these are blackjack cards, but it doesn't say on the box. But I know it's called blackjack because on the box of where the tokens are and on the game it even says blackjack. Number 1, the playing cards, line and finish. Waddingtons of London. Number 1, the playing cards, superior quality, that, and the sign they always do. 31011. Okay. And then there's like 8, and then the kings and queens and jokers are 10. And if you want to know about the game, if you get 21, then you win. But if you get over 21, then you lose. But if you get more than the other person, you win. But if you get over 21, you lose. And you have to try make the other person lose all their tokens, and then you have all their tokens, and then you win the game. So that's how you play it. Anyways, guys, like, subscribe, and bye.